Today we are walking through 1012 Wasatch Court in Burleson, Texas. Stay tuned. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This house is better than new construction, in my opinion. Open up that gorgeous door with the privacy film on there, and you open it up and you walk right into this beautiful foyer. This house is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's over 2,000 square feet. It was built in 2022. So first off, to the left, we have bedroom number 4. I've got an open house, so that's why my sign's blowing out there. Bedroom number 4 has a really good sized closet. This is bathroom number 2, which is a full-size bath, which is in between bedroom number 4 and bedroom number 3, which also has a good sized closet. Let me go back down the hallway. First off to the right is this little walk-through mudroom area, and you've got a fantastic oversized garage that's got an epoxy floor. I love how the seller has added in additional LED recessed lighting in the garage. To our right here, we have got another bedroom. This is bedroom number 2. There's also this great area for being organized and for your stuff. Coming down the hall, we've got this full-size washer and dryer area. We have this half bath that's right off of the living area. And here's this fantastic kitchen, custom cabinets, granite, subway tile. There is a 4-burner gas cooktop I don't think has ever been cooked on. You've got this fantastic little dining area, beautiful paint. This house is in meticulous condition. You can see the wall of windows throughout the back that already have window coverings on them. You can see the privacy fence, this really oversized large living area. I love this house. If you want a list of the upgrades in this home, please reach out to me. This is the master suite. And then here is the master shower. You've got 2 sinks, his and hers. The water closet here, an oversized closet, and plenty of room for storage. This house is in better than new condition. Again, if you would like a personal tour of this home, or if you would like a list of the upgrades to this home, please reach out to me. I would love to share them with you. Thanks for watching.